As of early February, Russian fishermen had harvested over 466,000 metric tons of aquatic resources, reflecting a decline of about 11% compared to the same period last year. And of this total, Pollock accounted for 270,000 metric tons, also marking a drop of about 20% from last year's pace. Despite a slower start, Russia's Pollock TAC for 2025 is higher at 2.46 million metric tons, up 175,000 or 385 million pounds from last year. Although Russian-origin Pollock remains banned in the U.S. and Russian-produced Pollock is prohibited in Canada, buyers and suppliers should closely monitor Russian supply. If U.S. sanctions are lifted under the Trump administration, it could significantly impact Alaskan Pollock prices by increasing competition and shifting market dynamics. Since the imposition of Russian seafood sanctions, Alaskan Pollock has enjoyed favorable market conditions, avoiding direct competition with Russian supply. This year, Alaska's Pollock TAC is slightly higher at approximately 1.5 million metric tons, and the full amount is expected to be harvested. With that, reports from our Asia office indicate that Chinese plants still hold large inventories of Alaskan Pollock, which have to be purchased alongside Pacific cod, and sales of Pollock to the U.S. have been slow. If U.S. sanctions on Russian Pollock are lifted, Chinese processors could face further challenges in moving Alaskan Pollock out of the country, increasing downward pressure on prices. And lastly, a short note on Pacific cod. Strong demand from EU and Japanese buyers has pushed raw materials pricing on Russian longline Pacific cod to about parity with Alaskan trawl cod. Previously, Russian longline Pacific cod was about $500 to $800 per metric ton cheaper, largely due to U.S. sanctions. Russian longline fish is very good quality and is said to be better than Alaskan trawl. Alaskan trawl cod has been very short and pricing has been very strong. Russia's Pacific cod TAC saw a slight decrease to about 140,000 metric tons this year, while Alaska cod also saw a slight decrease of the TAC to 165,000. With uncertain geopolitical and market conditions, our recommendation to buyers is to stay flexible, monitor inventory levels in China, and be ready to adapt sourcing strategies based on potential shifts in trade policies. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our 3-Minute Market Insight to get our market updates straight to your inbox. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This has been Anna, reminding you to buy smart and eat more seafood.